This video will show the basics of installing a DuraShield roll-up door by Chase Doors. Although it shows an inside standoff door with an external motor, it will also be helpful for other configurations. Please read and understand the installation manual that came with your door. This video is not intended to replace that manual, which includes important safety information. Now let's get started. Installation will require the following tools and supplies: tape measure, a level, drill and drill bits, utility knife, hex wrenches, vice grips, screwdriver, wrenches, and an optional impact driver. Additionally, depending on the size of your door, a motorized lift may be required. Finally, fasteners for attaching to the wall are also required. Carefully remove the lid and unpack the crate. Be sure to locate the installation instructions. Lay the parts out on the floor and compare the parts to the drawing on the front cover of the installation manual to make sure that all the components are included. Locate the footprint drawing and familiarize yourself with the measurements. Then check against the actual opening width and height of your door. Check the mounting surface. The door must be securely mounted to a smooth, plumb surface and must be mounted so that the head and roll and guide tracks are level, square, and plumb. Improper installation can result in premature wear. Refer to the footprint drawing to determine the proper placement of the T-bracket on the wall. Then, using the fasteners appropriate to your wall surface, securely attach the T-bracket to the wall. Once the T-brackets are installed, lift the roll assembly and place on top of the T-brackets. Align the pillow blocks on the T-brackets according to the installation instructions, then secure in place. Be sure that the curtain is coming off the back of the roll. Refer again to the footprint drawing for location of the guide tracks. Locate the top end of the side guide, which will have a slot cut lengthwise. Check the length of the side guides. The top of the side guide should be 3 to 4 inches from the bottom of the fully wound door. Trim from the bottom if necessary. Attach the L-bracket side guide supports according to provided dimensions. The tops of the side guides are flared out to prevent wear and to allow for reinsertion of the curtain. We recommend that you bend the side guides on the ground before mounting to the L-brackets. Attach the side guides to the L-brackets using the enclosed Tek screws. Check the alignment of the door to make sure that it is centered in the opening, then tighten the hex screws. Wipe the side guides to make sure they are free from dirt and grease, then install the vinyl side panels to the side guides using the self-stick tape. Secure the vinyl side panels to the wall with fasteners provided by the installer. Install the operator according to the instruction manual supplied by the operator manufacturer. Slide the door sprocket onto the door shaft, then slide the key into the keyway. Check the sprockets to ensure the chain is properly aligned, then tighten the set screws to secure the sprocket to the shaft. Make sure the chain is snug but not tight, then attach the chain hoist. Refer to the instructions supplied by the operator manufacturer to make the power and wiring connections. Remove the cover to adjust the operator limits. To make this job easier, you can use the manual control buttons located inside the operator. To adjust the limit switch, depress the retaining plate and adjust the white limit nut to the desired setting to fine-tune the upper and lower limits of door travel. Then release the retaining plate. Once completed, be sure to also adjust the clutch nut and secure with a cotter pin according to the manufacturer instructions. Confirm the roll clearance and the guide tracks according to the diagram in the instructions. Check the door is properly centered, then tighten all fasteners. Attach the brush seal to the bottom of the garage door so it seals properly when the garage door is open. Then drill and mount the 12-inch brush seal retainer to the bottom bolts of the pillow block as shown here. Once completed, cycle the door and confirm opening and closing positions and recheck all fasteners for tightness. Finally, make sure that the end user is familiar with operation and has all manuals.